Welcome to the fascinating world of Nsibidi, an ancient writing system of the Igbo people. This intricate system of symbols and signs has been passed down through generations. For centuries, Nsibidi has been a vital part of Igbo culture, serving not just as a means of communication but also as a repository of history and tradition. Used for communication, storytelling, and artistic expression. The symbols are often seen in art, dance, and even in the architecture of Igbo communities. But where did this unique writing system come from? How did it evolve over the years to become such an integral part of Igbo identity? Let's embark on a journey to uncover the origins of Nsibidi, exploring its historical roots and its significance in the modern world. The origins of Nsibidi date back to the 14th century, a time when the Igbo civilization was flourishing in what is now southeastern Nigeria. This ancient system of symbols and writing was not just a means of communication, but also a way to record important events and convey complex ideas. During the height of the Igbo civilization, Nsibidi played a crucial role in the daily lives of the people. It was used in various aspects of society, from trade and commerce to social and religious practices. It is believed that Nsibidi was created by the Ekpe Society, a secret society of men who were highly influential in Igbo politics and spirituality. The Ekpe Society used Nsibidi to maintain secrecy and communicate covertly during their rituals and ceremonies. These men played a significant role in shaping the political and spiritual landscape of the Igbo people. Through Nsibidi, they were able to pass down knowledge, preserve their cultural heritage, and maintain social order within their communities. The Nsibidi symbols are more than just decorative marks. Each symbol has a specific meaning, conveying messages about love, war, peace, and spirituality. The symbols are often used in combination to tell complex stories and convey nuanced ideas. Despite the impact of colonialism and modernization, Nsibidi has continued to thrive. Today, Nsibidi is recognized as an important part of Igbo cultural heritage, and efforts are being made to preserve and promote this unique writing system. The origins of Nsibidi are a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of the Igbo people. This ancient script, with its intricate symbols and profound meanings, offers us a glimpse into the rich cultural tapestry of the Igbo civilization. As we continue to learn more about this fascinating writing system, we uncover layers of history and tradition that have been passed down through generations. Each symbol tells a story, each manuscript holds a piece of the past. We are reminded of the importance of preserving our cultural heritage and celebrating our unique identities. By understanding and honoring Nsibidi, we not only pay tribute to our ancestors but also ensure that future generations can appreciate and learn from this remarkable legacy.